This is R. R is the angry sound. It sounds like an angry dog growling. When we make it, we keep our teeth together to look extra scary. Even though R looks like an angry sound, it's actually very friendly. R can stretch into other sounds like this.
Re. Re. Ro.
R likes to go into words like rabbit, robot, rubbish, and rat. R's favourite letter is letter R. R loves to go into letter R, unless there are rats to run after.